Dental implants are trending to replace missing tooth. They are strategically placed in jawbone where they serve as the root of the missing tooth. As these materials are placed intravenously, so they have to stand the various tests of the suitable usage without any problems. So, what are the needs of the material required for the dental implant material? Biocompatibility. First need is biocompatibility. Biocompatibility is of utmost importance, meaning it should be compatible with the living tissue and should not be allergic to the patient. It should not cause any type of inflammation to the patient. Also, it should not increase the user's immune reaction to the implant. Otherwise, a rejection reaction will, with heightened immune response, will take place. So it must be sturdy, having good fatigue, fracture, and physical strength. It should be resistant to the fracture and corrosion. The strength and design must remain compatible with the physical properties. It should not release any harmful wear particles which may enter bloodstream and cause any complication like toxicity. It should be chemically and biologically inert. It should be physically more compatible with the bone and aesthetics. It should match with the living tissue in appearance. So titanium and zirconium are material of choice in implant materials. So titanium is a bioinert material having properties of excellent biocompatibility. It shows permanent affinity with the bone. It has high passivity and good physical properties. Also, its modulus of elasticity is nearly equal to the bone. Antibacterial properties of titanium. Also, titanium has a special property. Titanium has an anti-adhesive surface and can be coated with antibiotic drugs and antibacterial peptides. And thus, these both drug and peptides make it antimicrobic, so reducing chances of inflammation. So titanium appears to be a metal of choice, but it has one downside, and that is aesthetics, its appearance. So, what is the solution of this problem? So, titanium is coated with ceramics and calcium phosphate of thickness nearly 50 to 70 micrometer by plasma spraying. So, there are many advantages of coating. First advantage is it enhances osteointegration, as zirconia and calcium phosphate and glass ceramics are bioactive materials. So, what is osteointegration? Osteointegration is defined as a close approximation of bone to an implant material. It also resolves aesthetic issues. It also stops or checks the release of T positive ions. Means it may. So what? So when only only titanium is used, it may release T positive ions, which may mix with the blood and which may cause toxicity further. So coating may also checks the release of T positive ions, and overall strength of the implant is also maintained.